Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It's December 1st today. It's about 4 o'clock and I did not vlog at all today because today wasn't really like that type of day to really like vlog because I didn't do nothing but go to church. It's so disgusting outside. Let me show you. As you guys can see, it's snowing and like raining outside. So that is why I did not vlog today because I didn't do anything, but I don't know what I'm about to do right now. I might like wash my clothes, or I don't even know, to be honest. I might try to film another video that I could have up for Vlogmas. I might do that, or I really don't know. But right now I have Hallmark playing, a Hallmark movie playing right now. These movies are honestly so cute, but they're honestly boring to me to like watch because I just don't like the corniness of them. But they're fun sometimes, I guess, whatever. But that's what I have playing right now. I don't know what I'm about to do, but I will hit you guys back when I figure out what. This is a new Hallmark movie that's on right now. I just want to show you guys that. So now I'm back, you guys, and I'm eating sugar cookies, Christmas cookies at that. I want to show you guys what they look like. Let me show you guys the whole one. This is a snowman Christmas sugar cookie that I'm eating right now. My sister made them. But I'm about to look for my nutrition notes because I have an exam on Thursday for nutrition. And it's so annoying because I had a 90 in the class. And then I got an 82 on the last test, which brought my grade down to an 88. So then I have to take the final exam. I'm not exempt because you have to have an A in order to be exempt from the final exam. I'm so upset, but it's okay. But I'm about to start looking for my notes for nutrition. So guys, I decided not to look for my nutrition notes right now when I'm watching a Vlogmas video. I'm so excited because I honestly love Vlogmas. I have been watching it since like 2013. I've been watching Vlogmas and YouTube in general. And right now I'm just watching Nas and Mel, their Vlogmas. So I just finished eating dinner and now I'm about to get in the shower. I had rice, ham, and like beans. It was like a soup type thing. I forgot to record it. Whew, I'm out of breath because I ran up the stairs. But that's what I'm about to do. I'm just about to get in the shower and then I will talk to you guys when I get out. I'm also going to film a video today. I'm going to do a case collection video. So then I can have just some videos racked up for Vlogmas because this is like this vlog will probably go up on like Wednesday because I was going to do Vlogmas like every other day. But if I can have videos for every single day, then that will be just fine and I'll do it every single day because I'm hoping that this can like maybe bring my channel to stardom because my channel really is very small. 26 subscribers, like not many at all. And I'm really trying really hard with my videos, but like I don't know, it just doesn't seem like it's paying off. Like I just want people to watch my stuff. I just want to see that like some people actually do enjoy the content that I'm creating because I'm working really hard. Like I spend hours editing my videos and I just want people to like them and acknowledge that I'm really trying. So I don't know, but I'm about to take a shower and I will talk to you guys when I get out of the bathroom. Okay, so I'm about to film my case collection video. This is my little setup and the lighting for my video. I was watching Santa Claus, The Escape Clause. That's what's playing on TV, but I'm going to turn it all the way down when I start filming my video. But I just wanted to make this a part of the vlog. Me getting ready for the video. I don't do anything. I'm like literally so plain Jane, but I love it. I literally love it. I want to see if maybe I want to do a different part because I did a side part when I went to church this morning, but I want to see if I want to do my hair with a middle part for the video because I kind of don't like the side part. So let's see, a middle part probably looks better. And my hair color, guys, can we get into my hair color? Like, guys, let's get into my hair color, please.
Like, my hair color is so cute, but I look so cute.
Oh my gosh, guys, I look so cute. But I'm about to film my video, so I will get back to you guys after I am done filming my video. I also wanted to show you guys my Christmas PJs before I go. So look, guys, my red shirts, I got on my Christmas pants with a bear and some lights on them. And then guess what? Get into my socks. They literally are ears. It's a bear with ears. So please get in tune with my Christmas outfit. But I'm about to film my video, and this time I will really be back after I film my video.
Making them enough money. First things first, I want to go over what to expect this Vlogmas.